मिलजुल कर कोई बात बनाई जाए, आओ मिलजुल कर कोई बात बनाई जाए, आपसी प्रेम की एक रस्म चलाई जाए। नफरतों का ये पेड़ अब बहुत फैल चुका, अब तो भाईचारे की कोई बेल लगाई जाए। जो लड़ते हैं हम प्यार उनको सिखा दें, जो लड़ते हैं हम प्यार उनको सिखा दें, चलो जिंदगी को मोहब्बत बना दें, चलो जिंदगी को मोहब्बत बना दें। वो दीवार जिसने है दिल बांट डाले, वो दीवार जिसने है दिल बांट डाले, आज मिलजुल के आइए उसे गिरा दे। हो किरदार में अपनी ऐसी बुलंदी, हो किरदार में अपनी ऐसी बुलंदी, है दुश्मन के दिल में वो नफरत मिटा दे, वो नफरत मिटा दे। थैंक यू सो मच।
Is being celebrated to recognize and appreciate the different cultures that make us unique, while promoting unity and understanding, not violence, and help those often affected by this violence. Today, we acknowledge the rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions that make our communities vibrant and strong. We recommit to creating a world where everyone feels valued, respected, and included. By celebrating Communal Harmony Week, we strengthen the bonds of unity and harmony among people of different backgrounds, ultimately contributing to more peaceful and prosperous society. Let's unite in our diversity and celebrate the beauty of harmony. My best wishes and congratulations to the Department of Physiology for organizing National Communal Harmony Week 2024 successfully for the institution in a true spirit. Thank you. God bless you.
Mr. Mukesh Verma, Treasurer, Dean Academics Sandeep, all the heads of department, faculty members, dear students, it truly was a very enjoyable hour. In fact, I could notice the harmony in the physiology department itself when beautiful saris all the consultants were wearing, and as we walked in, they were all looking so gorgeous that so the harmony was visible right from there, and we could appreciate the harmony in your songs and the rhythm and the coordination. Everything was lovely. The theme, of course, is something which was very well depicted here. But I was just thinking while sitting here that this harmony issue, just when we walked in, Sandeep was saying, Sir said that harmony country में बहुत जरूरी है. संदीप कहता पहला घर च भी हारमोनी होनी चाहिए, वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. So I was just thinking one step ahead of that, Sandeep, that harmony within yourself is also very important. In fact, there is a famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi which says that if you think the same what you say and you do the same, then that you have a harmony within it. But a lot of people at times say something, they think something else and they do something. So that is what creates a lack of harmony within yourself. And if you can do that, if you are honest to yourself and if you are truthful to yourself, you say what you do and what you think, obviously there will be very little stress. Today stress is very common amongst all of us, but this is probably one way by which you can handle stress for yourself. I must congratulate Department of Physiology for having brought in people from different spheres, different fields together, and I really appreciate the effort put in by all of you. I can make out how much of effort must have gone behind this to make it happen. I would just end by saying that even in your own life subsequently, it's all about harmony actually. Harmony with your surroundings, with your colleagues, with your family members, and with others. Because as a person who has practiced medicine for 35 years, I have seen those who could knit collaborations, cooperation, and could work with others. In fact, some of you would ultimately want to go for a USMLE and want to go abroad. One of the commonest thing that they watch in people is, are they team men and women or not? Because success in life is not determined by how brilliant you are, how intelligent you are, what scores you have achieved, but ultimate success, mind you, depends on how you are liked or disliked by the people around you. I think that is the ultimate test of any individual. If you are a likable student and all your classmates like you, you are in harmony with others, I think that is a much bigger achievement than any other parameter that one can take. So in that sense, today's theme, and today's, although it's a national theme, it's a theme which tells us that people from different religions, caste, creed, backgrounds, social milieu should live in harmony. But this harmony you can take to any level, and harmony within yourself, with your surroundings, will certainly give you inner peace and also success. Thank you very much, Department of Physiology, for having put it up. And thanks to all the faculty. I see a lot of faculty also today and everybody. So thank you and congratulations to each one of you.
मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
को बदल के इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। अपने हो या पराए, सबके लिए हो न्याय। देखो कदम तुम्हारा हरगिज न डगमगाए। रास्ते बड़े कठिन हैं, चलना संभल संभल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। इंसानियत के सर पे इज्जत का ताज रखना, तन मन की भेंट देकर भारत की लाज रखना। जीवन नया मिलेगा अंतिम चिता में जल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। जय हिंद।